Okay, welcome back, guys. Another day, another episode for Build, Break, and Fix. Today is something special which you're doing. We're not gonna continue on the project Tumblr which we were doing yesterday. Today, we thought we might give you guys a little bit of a surprise, and so we were thinking to go ahead and set up a blog for road coders. So today, we're gonna go over how you can set up your own blog um, over something simple as Hugo with AWS, and you're gonna have a pipeline as well. So for everyone who's new here, we are road coders. We stream every night from 9:30 to 10:30 on weekdays and 9:30 to 11:30 on weekends on Twitch and YouTube. Links will be given down below. What do we have today, Zen?
Uh, Thanks a lot for the intro, Karthik. Always good to have these kind of precise ones. So today we're going to be setting up a blog, like you mentioned, as in it will give us a kind of time to refresh our brains, as in from that, from the project itself, because in my experience, I don't know if you've noticed it or not, that if you're stuck on a particular bug and you go have a coffee, have a tea, and then come back, the answer just pops into your mind like a miracle.
Yeah.
So I think that would be the case here. We're just having a bit of a diversion. So Karthik, if you wanna
Mhm.
focus on the Hugo part.
Yeah, so what we can do is we can go ahead and resolve the issue which you are facing on your machine. And
Yes.
because I already have Google, so it'll only make sense that we
Okay,
start from
cool.
scratch.
Yeah, cool. So that means that we're gonna go back to our issue first,
Yes.
solve it, and then make sure our blog is up and running,
Yeah.
and then go back and start from scratch. Is it? Cool.
Yeah, we can do
Brilliant.
that.
Brilliant. So, what did I want to open? Okay, I'll just share my screen with you now.
All right.
Share screen. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm just gonna log into AWS. Actually, I'm already logged in, so I
Nice.
don't need to do that again.
That's cool.
Brilliant. Right. So this is, as you can see, the Amplify console. And the problem that we're facing here is basically it does say deployed and everything is fine, but when we actually go to our blog, it doesn't show. So if I do stream log dot rawcoder dot dev, it won't show it.
Right. Okay. That makes sense. First of all, we need to make sure the config file is updated. So we have to
Okay,
start from scratch that Hugo is installed on your machine so that we can build it.
cool. So let's go to the terminal and do a brew. Install Hugo.
hmm So for all of the people who don't know what Hugo is kind of a static website builder, which kind of means that if you're starting off a blog or if you're starting off a portfolio, you don't have to build your website every time. It's just gonna keep adding your static web pages. It's only suitable for things like blogs and portfolios because these things are generally static and they're not gonna cost you a lot. So it's pretty good. And one other alternative to Hugo, which I've found always, is Jekyll, which I used to work with pretty extensively for my blog. But I recently found that Hugo is doing way better with its update and stuff. So definitely would recommend that.
Okay, so as compared to Jekyll, we should actually go for Hugo because it's got a bit more support and a bit more update.
Yeah, that's true. And talking about that, we are today gonna deploy it to AWS Amplify. A lot of people know about Amplify. It's just all-in-one solutions for full stack apps, but we're gonna use it in a deployment perspective. That means it's gonna build anything which we push to our GitHub repository. So we're gonna look at it in a CI, like a pipeline perspective, pipeline usage for AWS Amplify today.
Interesting stuff. Alright, so recently I've just found out that basically what the error
Yeah.
is your CLT does not support Mac OS, and I think that I have actually just updated my software, so that might be causing the issue.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's a pretty common homebrew error. Let's see.
So mine is 11.5.1,
Oh,
and this.
it's happening because you just installed a new OS. Like you did an update, so you gotta remove and install Xcode again. Sent you the
Xcode.
command. Yeah, that's what people need.
So I
Mm.
need to install another software to make this run.
So I guess you just updated to Big Sur, if I'm not wrong.
Uh, well, the software update was a few days or few weeks ago, but here I've got another update saying that another version is available for Big Sur.
Oh, okay. Maybe just go ahead and remove command line tools and install Xcode select install again.
Oh,
That's the most common answer on Apple Stack.
right. Because I don't really code in iOS, so I think I'll just confirm it first.
Yeah, sure.
By Xcode, do you mean the iOS programming uh, IDE, right?
Not necessarily you have to get the IDE. You just get the like Xcode is kind of used to run things on Mac OS in general. So
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah.
So I'll just do this then. Sudo permission denied. I need to do sudo and
Um.
is this how?
No. Are you copying the command which I sent you?
Yes.
It's two different commands. I'm gonna,
Oh,
um,
okay.
yeah. So StreamYard doesn't let you put stuff in different lines. That's okay. Or I'll send you the link. Wait, I'll send you the link. That'll be reliable.
Oh, right. I see. Homebrew. It is you.
Maybe you can show us as well, the viewers as well.
So this is the link that I've got from Karthik out, and it says that the simplest solution that worked when upgrading to Opera, a clean install may not require the solution below. There is inconsistency with the way CLT is upgraded to 12.2. Why is CLT? I'm just curious.
Command line tools.
Ah,
Just
okay, right.
literally the tools which you use. Like Brew is a command line tool.
Right. Yeah, of course. Okay, that one is there. And it's just uninstalling at the moment.
Yep.
Hope you guys can see the terminal as in all the commands clearly, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Brilliant. So you're just uninstalling at the moment.
All right. I'm kind of tired today. Had a lot of
Yeah,
class.
had a long day.
Yeah, a lot of classes. I told you right,
Mm.
all the lectures.
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Wednesday is tiring.
When did it finish?
It was actually supposed to finish at 6:30, but I bailed out at 6.
I remember those
Mm.
times.
It was also because I gave up.
Yeah, yeah. It's hard, man. It's hard. Case collect. Install recursive for command line tools and may require. Okay, agree.
It's gonna install
Continue on
CLC.
battery power. Okay, I need to charge my Mac as well. I don't want it to give up on me in the middle.
Yep.
Why am I getting water? Ah, I think my ceiling might be leaking.
Wait, what, really?
Interesting. Yeah,
You
I
live in
just
the
saw some.
highest floor, or is it the
It might be just a bit of steam because I've had a
Hmm.
hot shower as well. That's why.
Right.
Ah, okay, cool. Continuing there. Right, finding software. Downloading software now. Yeah, have you got classes tomorrow?
Yes, I have a practical tomorrow about software engineering processes.
Ah, okay, interesting.
Yeah. So that's the subject in which I am Scrum Master apparently.
Oh,
So
nice one.
um,
So you're kind of managing.
yeah, yeah, it's
Yeah.
pretty interesting because I've always when group projects came up, I've always developed. Um, this is a new experience, and
Hmm.
the funny part was the major role was working extensively with Jira and Slack. Um,
Ah, right, right, right.
yeah,
And you've already worked with Jira at your workplace, so
yeah,
that's a
yeah.
bit of an advantage.
But I feel like as a Scrum Master, your job is to not master these tools, but like to make the team master them as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's going pretty interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how that comes along. Um, yeah. Apart from that, I
Learning
think
a lot, eh?
yeah, yeah. But I feel like one of the things which people don't expect while doing computer science is that they're teaching you to be a computer scientist, not a programmer. And a lot of my classmates are now struggling with the computer science course. Uh,
Ah, right, right, right.
mm,
Yeah, I think computer science is a bit more broad, as in it involves everything. But if you talk specifically
mm,
about programming or software development, that's actually specifically focused focused onto coding.
yeah, that's true.
Hmm.
That's the problem, right? Like now, a lot of my peers are facing problem because they thought they'd want to be a programmer, but this course is called Bachelor of Computer Science, so they're gonna teach you
Yeah,
to be computer science. They're gonna teach you about Turing machines and or I don't know, like sequences or
yeah, yeah,
anagrams. So
yeah. They will give you a bit of a broad, as in
yeah.
everything which is broad,
Hmm.
and because as long as everything is related to computers,
Hmm.
that's for your degree is, isn't it?
Yeah,
Anything that's
pretty much.
related to computers.
Pretty much, that's true.
But the degree that I did was specifically for coding, as in
Oh,
software application development.
oh,
So it was really specialized in coding. So in one subject, I made an Android app. In
Right.
one, I made a website. In one, I made um, there was there was what do you call it? Yeah. So I made two
That's
website.
pretty,
One, hey,
that's actually pretty good.
yes. So it was heavily into code. That's all.
Right. And when did you graduate then?
2014.
Right. Okay. Nice. Do you miss university?
The first year, yes.
When the grades were good?
uh, I've actually got pretty good grades on the first year.
Oh,
The second year was all right.
it starts getting downhill.
Yeah, but as soon as I saw my second year's result, I was like, okay, I need to step up to get an at least 2-1. Come on, at
Hmm.
least 2-1. And there, I kind of gave up all my social life, as in
Yeah, you told me
I
about
turned into a geek properly. And yeah, so I was aiming for 2-1, but then when the say before the after the exams were done,
Mhm.
then just before the result, I saw that there was a special criteria, but I can't remember it. As long as you fulfill that criteria, your marks for the second year and the first year don't count.
All right.
You're
Okay.
just awarded a degree on your the third year, and I had actually pretty good results in my third year, which
Nice.
meant that I scored first class honors, which
That's pretty good.
was
That's
which was
pretty good.
hard, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good, but it was worth it, I guess then.
Yeah, yeah. As in, I'm here now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the first job was, as in, I wasn't really expecting it to come to Australia, but the first job that I actually got required me coming to Australia,
Yeah.
as in all expenses paid for, and I was like,
Damn.
not gonna reject this opportunity ever.
That, that's so good.
Yeah. How about yourself? How was your first job? I know you've already done a bit of work as a junior dev, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I've actually cracked my first job. I mean, I've done stuff here and there, but like how there's a like getting a full-time job in a proper company, that's a different crack.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Hmm.
it's interesting to
Um, just to just to say that coffee, try not to use those words on the stream, please. Yeah,
all right, okay.
yeah, because it just adds a bit of unprofessionalism.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah.
um
Sorry,
but yeah,
continue.
it's pretty interesting that like I like the culture here in Melbourne that anyone could just, even if you're studying in uni, you can just go ahead and work, which is kind of not easy when it comes down to finding a part-time job when you're a student in tech, because firstly you're not, people don't think that you're that qualified, and then second of all,
Hmm.
there are only specific jobs which are part-time, because if someone's going to hire you, they just want full-time people most of the time. So
Yeah.
um,
Yeah.
it's tricky, but it's not impossible for sure.
Hmm. Hmm. True though. And also in Melbourne, it really helps if you have good connections,
That's true.
because most of the vacancies, as in roles, are filled up before they're even announced to public.
That's true. 100%. Oh, I just realized we could have our logo up there. Can you see it?
Yes, we can, but I think
We need to remove the background.
huh?
We need to remove the background to have it there.
No, I was just thinking about something else.
Mm-hmm.
Um, can we move this powered by StreamYard down somewhere else so we can actually add our background as well, as in our logo too?
You can remove it, like completely remove it.
Actually,
But
let's do that.
yeah, give me one sec. I'll just remove the background from the image.
Hmm.
All right. Let's see.
Okay, wow, 11 minutes to go. Oh,
Yep, not easy.
that's I wasn't expecting this to be that heavy software though. But yeah, anyway. What's
Um,
gotta be done has to be done. I'll just get myself some water. Be right back.
okay, that looks good.
Hmm?
That
Yeah.
looks good, actually.
Oh my goodness, I don't know why these days I'm feeling a lot thirstier than normal.
That's good. Drink water.
Can we somehow put that logo on the left, as in under live?
I don't
Or
think
not?
so. Mhm.
Right.
Not really.
Cool.
One sec. Gonna put my Mac on charge.
So we still got 11 more minutes to go, but
That's fine. I don't
and
know if
mhm.
there's anything else which we can do, but if you want,
Yeah.
I can go ahead and show around a bit on Hugo.
Yeah, let's do that actually. Here we go. Get started.
Yep. So I can kind of like start a website and
Okay,
show.
yeah, if you want to do that, and
Yeah.
you can also share your screen as well.
All right. Let's see. Um, okay. All right. Here. Can you get to that?
Janet, there you go.
Right. I forgot all the commands.
That's alright. That's what these docs are there for.
Yep. So let's start a new website. Name it demo
So
website.
you have just created a repo and named it Hugo demo website.
Yep. Now I use the
Just for
Hugo
the
command.
Yeah, cool.
and created a new website which is called Who demo website.
Hugo new. Okay, cool. Right.
Yep. So now it says I should go and choose a theme.
So let's go on that URL.
Oops.
Man, how do you work with all these tabs open all at once?
Do you wanna see them? Wait, I'll show
I
you.
get really confused.
Wait,
Ah, that's cool.
which one?
No, just the overall themes.
Oh right, yeah, yeah. No, they're pretty cool.
And
I'm gonna select any for now.
try the one go up.
Sorry, yeah, which one?
Uh, welcome to Doxay.
I don't think that's a blog one, is it?
No,
Demo.
probably not. Probably not.
Yeah, it's a documentation theme.
Yeah, which we don't really need.
Can I
Beautiful
search?
Hugo.
There it
It
is.
would. Here we go. Blog.
That looks kind of cool. Nah, actually, no, never mind.
No, that was way too. I'm Codex. No, minimal blog theme.
Hmm. So you can just choose any for now. What was this about?
Yeah, just choose
Yeah,
any. As in, the main purpose is to, as in, get the Hugo just
yeah, yeah,
demo version up and running.
yeah. This looks good as well, though. All
Yeah,
right, let's try this one.
just get that one.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no, yeah, I don't want to use chunk. Right. Result with is it under MIT license? Yeah. Perhaps. Right.
Mhm. Cool. That works.
Wait a minute. Oh, I did a mistake. Oops.
So you um
Yeah, I
think
did
it
a
might be helpful if you also keep talking which commands are you using for the viewers?
Yeah. I just did. I wasn't in the directory. That's all.
Okay,
No
cool.
big deal. Right. So that's how you start the server, but you build your website before that.
Okay, so that does that.
Just finding the. Okay,
Yeah.
that's how you start the server. That's how you build the pages.
So you start the server by Hugo server hyphen day. Okay, cool. Right.
And there it is. It's built. I just
Local
work.
form.
Okay, the theme probably didn't rock up, but there's something here right now, which is a Google website. Just blank apparently for now. Um, okay, it's coming in and the state is fine. That means the content isn't there apparently, but that's okay. What we'll do is we'll use this guide only, and we'll use this theme. I have never seen this theme, but we'll just rock it up and see what it is. So I changed the sub
I,
module and we're cloning it.
I
New
can
one?
tell you're watching a lot of Australian YouTube videos.
Really? Oh,
Yeah. Huh? All
how,
those Au- Aussie terms.
like what?
He needs to rock up. Come on, mate. He needs to
Oh,
rock up.
next thing you
Right.
know, I'm saying Chaka UV and stuff.
True. All right.
I, I actually have
Uh,
said that a lot. I don't know what this does. Let's read. Then add the theme to the site configuration. Fair enough.
Hmm.
Um, this just goes to the config file and adds this as the theme.
Wow,
Um,
this is making my face a lot really shiny.
see? Oh,
How
all
about
right.
now?
I can't see you. Sorry.
Ah,
Let's go to posts.
it's so shiny.
CD content. Yes, and yeah, there it is. CD posts. To do ls. There we have it. Mm, right. Okay. So we should have it there.
Mm-hmm.
Inside content, the first post which we made. Text edit for now. I. Right. Let's see what magic that does. Right. Okay. Nothing more. Let's just start the server and see where it takes us. Oh, I know why. Not in the root directory.
Ah, okay. That would make sense. Let me just also check the status of
Yep.
the update.
And there we go. That's our locally built Hugo website and
Brilliant.
our first post. And
Yay, we are roll coders.
yeah, and
Awesome.
um, once then built this, or we can just can we go ahead and see how to edit this stuff then? Would you mind?
Yeah, yeah, no, no, go for it.
Alrighty.
And then we still have 7 more minutes for installing Xcode. So
Yeah, I mean, we can resolve that issue. I mean, it's just for the viewer's perspective,
yeah, yeah,
we're doing a brew
cool.
installs. So,
Mm-hmm.
um, right. So in the content, so how Hugo works is that it's gonna have a layout, which we're gonna talk about later, but it essentially comes here, and it's gonna have a theme with the two themes we have. What it's essentially gonna do is that it's gonna find a folder called content, and this folder has to be there. Like there's just no other way
Mm,
it's gonna happen. Then in that folder, it's gonna find another folder called posts, where all the posts for your website are gonna go. Now, one thing to keep in mind always is that these posts should be in Markdown format, um, which is also good for people who are not really tech savvy or don't know HTML. Maybe they are tech savvy, but they don't wanna like write stuff in HTML. This makes it really easy for anyone to write blogs, and that was probably the purpose why Hugo or stuff like Jekyll was built in the first place, so that anyone could literally just open their text editor and just write what they want to, and not worry about placing a div in centers. So let's do another post.
yeah,
Second post.md. Good thing about Hugo is that you don't have to follow a naming convention for your Markdown files. Contrary to that, in Jekyll, there's a proper naming convention which is followed. If you don't follow that, your website won't build. Like
yeah.
it's just not going to build at all. So
Or your post won't appear.
yeah, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so there's a particular standard which we're going to follow. Not our first post for sure. Second post. So the title is basically it goes everywhere from here, which is going to fetch to here. Oh, that's interesting. Read more. Oh, we stopped the server, but that's fine. Anyway, the title is essentially where it gets from. Not doing that today. Nope. Okay, that's a lot of VS Code tabs.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
anyway, right. Let's hit ankle theme. Firstly, we're gonna go and have a look at yeah. So we can change the title of the site and let's call it Lore Coders. For now, let's leave this for now, or actually just change it to coder.dev. So this is the base URL of your website, which you're gonna name it to, which means that, like for example, for us, we're gonna name it. So let's say something blog.rocoder.dev. So this is the base URL of your website, and this is just an alias which you're gonna create for that. So yeah, you're just gonna put the base URL in the config file. This is pretty standard stuff. Most of the teams won't have anything complicated when it comes down to these things. Um, right. So let's try building that right now. Let's take baby steps. Obviously, we stopped the server, so there we go. Server is up again. Cool, and the name's changed. Now we have a name called Roar Coders, and we have the second.
Awesome stuff. Hmm. And that's our second post as well with all the social media links too.
Yeah, and let's see. Yeah. Now go. Let's go ahead and change the social media links. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
uh, we need a thing called VS Code. Right. I forgot how to do that. There's not a content file in here, right? Not in the default file. Yeah, it'll be in the themes. Right. Config.yaml. Nope. Hmm. I'm just trying to. Okay, let's do a search. Yeah. Um, Not really, actually.
What are we looking for now?
We're looking for LinkedIn. Generally, yeah. Okay, there it is. So these are all the social media URLs which you're gonna put in your website. So what this particular team has done is they are pretty good at it, and they have provided with you a lot of options from literally everything from GitLab, YouTube, or Instagram. So just gotta take these names up exactly how they are written in the label and put in this file in this format. Yeah, in this file in this format. This is basically the not the header, I would say, just this stuff in your blog. So let's go ahead and change the LinkedIn link and see if it works for all our blog
Mm-hmm.
posts. So I'm just gonna go and put our LinkedIn link. Shout out to our LinkedIn.
Yep.
Subtle shout out, I guess. Right.
Rule coders.
Yes. So if you haven't followed it yet, I put that in the description. You can go ahead and follow that.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. So let's build the site again.
Think we might also wanna post where is about our channel on that page, and then that could actually tell people to as in follow it.
Yeah, for sure.
Hmm.
Yeah, we might go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. So if you go to first post and go to LinkedIn, okay, that's interesting. Though it is the link to raw coders, I'm pretty sure because I saw it going to raw coders.
Can you go back a bit, as in the code itself?
Yeah.
Uh, do you want to try stop the server and then start the server again?
Mm-hmm. Wait one sec. I miss. Yeah, I can do that. Let's do this. Stop the server, start the server again, get a hard refresh, and there you go.
There you
Okay,
go.
it did show
Okay,
roll call.
so
Is it?
yeah, but it doesn't find. Oh, go back in the code.
Yeah.
You have a company rule. Are you sure that's the URL?
Sorry.
Uh, can you copy and paste the URL in the browser?
It's fine. We can come back to that.
Oh, can you go back
Yeah.
and view that as a member, as in our LinkedIn page? View that as a member, not as an admin,
All right.
and then take
Copy
that
this.
URL and yeah, maybe that might do a difference
Right. Let's see.
or not.
Mm, we'll figure it out.
Yeah,
Nice.
that was it.
That's
Cool.
pretty cool. Good job, Zen. So that's how you can go ahead and oh, sorry about that. Um, change the
Links as
socials.
well. Hmm.
Yeah. Now let's go ahead and talk about uploading this particular blog to, let's say, Amplify for now.
Hmm.
So I'll,
Yeah.
well,
So,
what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do it from scratch because you've already done it.
yeah.
Um,
Okay. Cool. That
and
makes
I won't
sense.
connect the domain though. That's fine. We'll
Yeah.
just use Amplify domain to show.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, all right. Now let's find the repository. So it was a Hugo demo website. Right. If you're wondering why am I using GitHub desktop like an idiot, I
That
am
was exactly on my mind. That dude, make your life simpler. Come on, command line is way to go.
my terminal is configured with the school account, so
Ah, okay, cool.
I have
That
to
would make
access the
sense.
school server. So I really can't, even if I want to.
Right, right, right. Yeah.
Like for my school stuff, I use the terminal,
Mm-hmm.
and only sometimes GitHub, like
Mm-hmm.
it's.
Yeah, true. That's all right.
Wait, it's gonna do a second commit. Oh, that's fine. Radio, look it up. Don't need that. Repositories. And right now it's a private repository, which I don't want it to be. Oh wait, I did a mistake. Yep, I did a huge mistake.
It's a private
Um,
one.
nah, that's not a problem.
What was the
Um,
problem?
I'll explain. One second. I uploaded the repository as the root folder, not the.
Ah, right, okay.
I was in the wrong folder.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do it again. Which means I need to go ahead and get in it as well. All right, and that's the actual repository. Come on, let's do this. All right, that should have been changed. Demo website, this content. Right. So is how we want. Why isn't it uploading everything? That's interesting. So apparently it hasn't uploaded everything. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, I'm having a problem in GitHub. That's funny. Okay, I have a contact file now. That's good. Right. Still not enough. What I'm gonna do is wow.
What's happening?
Um, this, it's not pushing up everything.
Did you can you show me all the commands you've used? Oh, you didn't. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about that. You're
Yeah.
doing a GitHub desktop. Go to your GitHub desktop. Just wanna
Um,
check something.
okay. Teams is in there. Data is in there. Um, yeah. I mean, get up desktop. There we go. What I'll do is I'll
It still
copy of
says there's got two changes there which haven't been committed.
still not the one which we need. I'll just copy them and paste them in a new directory. All in all, demo set. All right, that's pretty much all the files we needed. I made a mistake again, but that's fine. Right. So what I should have done was I should have um, started the website with this rather than doing what I did. But let's see if I can start the server. That'll be interesting. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's good to know.
Perfect.
That I don't need. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Mm, so that means I could just get in it now. Or should I have had get in it before? Does it make a difference then?
You should have a Git in it when you actually create the um folder.
Okay, we'll do it now.
Yes, cd into that and now do the init. Yeah.
This stuff.
It
Yeah.
should be the hidden folder.
Oh, look fine to me. Oh, nothing to copy.
if you want to do in that folder ls space minus a or hyphen a, then it will show you your Git folder as well. Yeah,
All right. Oh,
see
nice.
that one? Mm-hmm.
I didn't know about that.
So it's hidden. Yeah.
Wait, which folder are we talking about here?
So it's not there, but if you see in the command
Yeah,
line, it says dog git.
yeah, can see that.
Yeah, that's the folder that gets created when you do git in it.
Right. Oh, you mean the file, right?
It's a folder, not
Oh,
a
dot git
file.
is a right.
Yeah. I think
Mm,
there's a way to see the hidden files in Mac. Hang on a minute. To see hidden files in Mac. If you press Command Shift full stop, then it would,
yeah,
I believe, show you.
there we go. Nice, easy.
Did it show you? Ah, here we
Yeah,
go. Yeah,
there we go. Come on, buddy. Work.
there we go.
Let's publish the branch.
Commit to
Pull it up.
master, but okay, you do everything from there. I was actually looking for where's the push command? Where's the push command?
I'm not gonna lie, it is easier though, for sure.
Yeah.
And it's still annoying. That's interesting. Okay, that's fine. I'll go ahead
What were
and
you
add.
looking for? I don't get it.
We don't have the data file.
A data folder, you mean?
Yeah. I mean, they both are empty for sure,
Yeah.
but I think they should be there.
Resource.
Okay, they do have.
If you go to resources.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no, no.
What? Oh. I'll just put them manually. Just give me 1 second. Did you create a PR or was it someone else?
No.
Oh, that's the image bot. Never mind. Cool, we have that, and we just need these two. Is that right? Do we need themes in the themes there? And we need static.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the website's is actually gonna be. Okay. I don't know. They're gonna try it anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
Let's have a go.
so GitHub won't allow you to put empty files.
That might be the problem. I think GitHub doesn't allow to put empty for. Hang on.
Does it? Can you Google that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Does
Oh, empty folder. Sorry, my bad.
how to draw to allow commit empty folders. Purpose of Git is also not pushing empty folder to so yes, and if you wanna go around, as in have a workaround, then simply pull a file named dot space
Uh,
dot dot dot. Yeah,
Where about?
that's
I don't.
hmm.
I didn't get that.
So it says that hang on a minute. I'll get a simpler version of it.
Yep.
Okay.
It's fine. I guess we need those files for now. I guess. We can give it a go. What do you say?
Yeah, yeah. Go for it.
Cool. So this is how the AWS Amplify looks like. I'll go ahead and do it from the beginning. Go to the AWS console and search for AWS Amplify. It'll open up. Um, and if you go to host a web app, of course, we're doing it from GitHub as our code base is in GitHub. There's a lot of other options which you can do it from. Um, right. So I already have granted access. If you're new to this stuff, GitHub is gonna ask, Amazon is gonna, AWS is gonna ask you for the GitHub access to access your repository. The good thing to note about is that it's only gonna take read-only permissions to your repository, so you don't need to worry about any changes which could be possibly made to your code base by AWS. Right, this one was R1. Ignore image pot. Right. So the good thing which AWS Amplify does is you don't need to create your build file. It automatically detected that this was a Hugo website, so
Mm.
it's made the build file itself, which means commands are already there, and you don't need to worry about anything. So you just go for the default for now and save and deploy.
There you go. And this step might take a bit of a while because it will generate the SSL certs and then,
Yeah,
isn't it?
we might not do that. We might not do that for now. That was
Okay,
only
cool.
for setting up. Um, what do you call
Ah,
that?
the domain.
Yeah.
Cool.
Listen.
So let's just wait for the provision.
Yep. Let's see.
Yeah, I saw this one basically says that add these four lines inside the ignore.
You're gonna try that?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we can always go ahead and
Yeah.
wait. Where is the git ignore file? I've never made a git ignore file in my life. Is it? Is it
I
should be here?
think you need to create it manually
Right. Should it be in
in
which?
the root folder, I think. Yeah, if it's not there, we would have to create it manually. Dot git ignore.
Oh, you know how to do it.
Yeah. Create the file dot git ignore. Mm-hmm. And then just, yeah, there you go.
Radio.
Just to create a file inside the directory. Have you created that file inside that directory, right? In which you wanted to upload it in the first place.
Yeah, it's in the root folder.
Oh, no. Why and then you go back to the Stack Overflow question. It says that make is to create a gignor file inside that directory. So we'd have to create the as in copy and paste the gignor file that we've just created inside the empty directory that you wanted to commit.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, now let's try. Yeah, let's do that. So it was static. All right. I'll delete it from here for now.
Let's see if this works.
Yep.
Because I've used git ignore, but not in this context.
Right. I'm just don't wanna
Ah,
threaten the
build
build
failed.
anyway. That's fine.
Right.
Cloning was fine.
Build failed, non-zero code. Where did the build fail? Not found in file care. Oh, so that file hasn't been found.
Yep, because it was in.
So it's still pointing it to our domain.
No, no, no. This is what I added.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Process.
it's fine. Let's just push that um, and see where it takes us. Let's do a fetch first. There we go. Nice. That's pretty cool, Zen. Where did
Pretty
I
cool.
get
What? Sorry.
that worked?
Oh,
Uh,
okay, that worked. Cool. Common provision. Build, 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 build. Come on, we can do this.
yeah. It's just doing it now. Mm, okay. Okay, provisioned. Let's see what's
I
happening
think
with
this
the book.
step will take a bit because build normally takes.
Okay, build failed. Nice.
Go back to the logs where it tells the reason why it failed. Okay, so Aaron building site will failed to transform that CSS main.css. Okay, resource not found in file cache.
Wait, I think I know why that's happening. Let's see.
In
Theme
cache? Ah,
CSS should be in assets.
mhm.
That's weird.
So it says it's inside NK. NNK.
Hmm.
Go to NNK.
I'm inside that.
Go to CSS.
There's no folder called CSS. I
So
think it got.
probably we. Mhm.
Um, I know. I think I kind of know why. So while we were fiddling around and copying and pasting, our
Mhm.
original one would have it, which is a good lesson for me. That not to move around stuff like that. Okay, it's not here, but there's some stuff which wasn't copied for sure. Okay, never mind. Looks the same. Okay. At least we learned how to build a
Yeah, yeah,
Hugo website for now. We can come back to this
yeah,
tomorrow.
which is a good thing. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cool. That's fantastic. And let me check
Did-
if
Yeah. Did CLT finish for you?
yeah, it's
Finally.
it's just done now. So I'm gonna
Good
try and
job.
install Hugo and see if it works this time. Reinstall Hugo.
right. That looks
Seems
promising. Oh,
why is it doing this? Okay, we can probably work on this tomorrow, man.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
No worries.
Alright. Cool. So, yeah, thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in again. It's been a bit of a productive one and a bit of a diversion at the same time, but we got there at the end. Um, well, we didn't. We are still in the process, I would say,
Yeah,
to solve that. So stay tuned in, stay tuned in, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, and same task. This,
but probably different task. We don't know.
yeah, yeah, probably different task, but yeah, we'll make sure we solve what we were facing today properly, and then tomorrow I didn't move on.
Yeah,
Uh,
100%.
in the stream. Thanks a lot, Karthik, for helping. You're our new co-host, so that's
I think it's been
it's
a
been
while. So
fantastic having you. Yeah,
but also, I just want to point out this is our official 15th episode today. Today,
brilliant.
like we have recorded 15 episodes now, so that's
That's
pretty much
phenomenal.
20 hours of content recorded.
Hmm.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, yeah, that's pretty awesome, and we'll we'll just keep going
Yeah, we're going.
and see how much value we can give to our viewers.
Yeah, 100%. Cool.
Cool,
And
guys. Have a good night. Have a good day, evening, morning, or night, wherever you are in the world. But if you're in Melbourne, have a great night and sleep well.
all
Thanks a lot,
right, cool.
Karthik.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, then. Have a good night, guys.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.